So in this very short video, I'm going to show you what's involved in running your first desktop test with WhatUsersDo. So I see that there's a test in my dashboard and I'll press accept. And you'll see that rather than see test instructions, I've been asked a question. Sometimes you'll see these questions are so that our customers get the right profile of users into their tests. So I'm going to choose, so how old are your children? Choose the first answer. The first answer that applies to me. I don't have kids. All my kids are age 16. One or more of my kids are age 5 to 15. So I guess school age kids. Submit your answer. And I'm through, and that's great. So I then now go ahead and do the test. You'll see that there are two active buttons on the screen here. One that says launch screen recorder, which is the first thing that I do. And when I finish the test, it's absolutely crucial that I come back to this screen and show the exit question to answer that. But I don't need to look at that, and I don't need to go to that until I've actually launched a screen recorder and run the test. So I'll click launch a screen recorder, and it will now go ahead and look for the WhatUsersDo app, which it's not finding at the moment. I'll just pause that while it keeps looking. And so I've been redirected to a page to download the screen recorder app, which I'm going to do. I'm on Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. That won't take long to run and install, and you won't have to do this every time. You just have to do it once on your computer. Again, we'll be back when that's finished downloading. So I'm just going through the steps that are necessary to install the screen recorder. This won't take a few seconds. So now the screen recorder is installed. Remember, I won't have to do that every time. I can go ahead and launch it. This time, hopefully, it will find the screen recorder. It has. And in a moment, I will be prompted to choose which screen to record. I only have one screen on this machine, so that's fairly straightforward and fairly easy. Which microphone to use? Again, I only have one, so I'll use that. And then critically, just because I've got my microphone connected or it's active, it doesn't necessarily mean that, that the sound levels are right, so you're able to test this. So I'm going to click on this button here and check that that's working okay. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can then listen back. Now listen very carefully. One reason that sometimes you won't get paid for a test is if our customers can't hear your spoken thoughts. So that's playing back now on my headphones. I'm going to count. And that's crystal clear. I don't need to make any changes to my microphone settings, and I'm away and ready to start the test.